Okay, so the simplest answer that I can give you to this question is going to be absolutely yes, you guys, yes. We all start from somewhere. We all start from the bottom, being a beginner, and we all have to build up our wardrobe. We have to build up makeup. We also have to build up our knowledge, which is definitely not cheap. So when it comes to being an influencer, the list of expenses we have literally goes on and on. Let's say you're an influencer and you don't have a LLC or a separate entity for your influencing business. So let's say you're an influencer and you go out, you get your nails done to create content, you have to get your hair done to create content, you're shopping on Fashion Nova, you're buying bundles and wigs and press-on nails and makeup and God knows what, because you guys know being an influencer, the prices does rack up. So you're doing this as a regular person. You don't have an LLC. Guess what? You're not able to write off these products that you're buying. You're not able to write off the services that you're needing as an influencer when you do not have a separate entity. Yes, as an influencer, you do have to purchase a lot of things. So wouldn't it be 1,000 times better if you were able to actually write off these products and services that you have to purchase once tax time comes around? I'm pretty sure the answer to that is yes, because it would be 1,000 times better if you were able to do that. Let's also create another example as to why you should create a LLC. So let's say that you're making $80,000 a year from being an influencer. And let's say that you're also spending $20,000 to buy products and, to just keep up with content. So let's say you're spending $20,000. So at the end of the year, the difference is that if you're making that $80,000 as a regular person and you're spending that $20,000, that's just it. You're just spending the $20,000. You don't get to write that off as business expenses. But if you create a LLC, a separate entity from yourself, separating your influencer career from yourself, you are able to write off that $20,000 that you have spent for products and services for your influencing business. Okay, so now that we have the entire tax part covered, that should be enough there to convince you to form a LLC for your influencing business. But let's get into a few more perks that you will get if you establish a LLC for your influencing business. So the second perk for having an LLC for your influencing business is going to be business banking. You will be able to open a separate business account using your EIN number for your influencing business. This is definitely going to help to keep you organized when you are earning income as a influencer, because you're going to know exactly where this money is coming from and that it's strictly for your business as a influencer. And this is also going to help you keep track of your spending, because you guys know it can become very costly being an influencer, trying to keep up with trends in fashion and things of the sort. So the third perk for having a LLC for your influencing business is going to be that you will be able to utilize business credit, you guys. And, credit is such an amazing thing to have. It gives you a lot of flexibility. So of course you're going to have to pay the credit back, but it's awesome to be able to have the credit there, especially when you are earning money and generating a good income as an influencer. You can pay it back. So this gives you more of flexibility when it comes to money. So the last and the third perk of having a LLC for your influencing business is going to be that you are going to be able to apply for grants, you guys. This is going to be absolutely free money that you're going to be able to get to go freaking shopping, literally, because being an influencer, that's mostly what we do. We go shopping and we buy clothing and shoes and hair and get ourselves done up, and of course invest in our knowledge and further how to promote ourselves as influencers and invest in marketing and things like that, social media ads. It's all for your business as an influencer. Any expense that you acquire as an influencer, as you guys know, there are many expenses when it comes to being an influencer. So for this grant, you will definitely be able to use that money for your influencer business. That's what it's for. It's for the business, but you are actually going to be that business. So that's an amazing perk for having a LLC for your influencing business. While I'm here speaking with you guys about grants for your business, I have a video that you guys can actually watch. This video is going to feature a list of grants that you guys can apply to. Again, grants are absolutely free. They do not have to be paid back as long as they are used for strictly 100% business purposes. As you guys can see, I am really heavy on having a LLC for your influencing business, especially when you are making a lot of money. You guys know the more money you make, the more you're going to be taxed. So it's important to form these businesses so that your income is considered separate from yourself. Like Viva La Pink Posh is separate from Veronica, and I love it. I get so many extra benefits from having a LLC instead of having all my money inside of my Veronica account. So that is going to be it for today's video. Let me know in the comments if you have a LLC for your influencing business. Also, let me know if you don't, was this video the video to convince you to go ahead and get one? So that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on Thursday's video. Bye guys.